Majestic monuments, colorful bazaars, busy streets, and family run restaurants adorn Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan. The city provides an opportunity to explore the remnants of a royal era through its rich food, culture, and warm hospitality. Jaipur is a growing city, but it still holds on to its old world charm. The city offers you a chance to step into the royal past while enjoying the benefits of the modern age. Photographers, nature lovers, art enthusiasts, and history buffs often call Jaipur a second home. Every time you visit this fascinating city, you will be surprised by what you discover. Jaipur is well connected by air, rail and road. Jaipur has an international airport that has regular flights running to and from most cities in the country. Since Jaipur is one of the hotspots for international tourists, you will also find easily available trains to the city as well. Jaipur offers a plethora of things to do and places to visit. Exploring the historic Amer Fort, constructed in 1592 and completed in the 8th century by Savai Jai Singh, the fort is a fine example of Hindu and Rajputana styles of architecture. The grand architecture and the landscaped gardens entertain the visitors with its marvel and grandeur. The key attractions of the fort are Diwani Am, Sheesh Mahal and Sukh Mahal, witnessing the brilliance of Nahargarh and Jaigarh forts. Nahargarh and Jaigarh forts are two grand structures that stand tall in the Aravali's. Owing to the proximity of the forts, both can be covered on the same day when you are exploring Jaipur. Jaigarh Fort is also known as the Fort of Victory, its key attraction being Jaivana, the majestic cannon placed on the second level. The architecture of the Nahargarh Fort is truly mesmerizing. Soaking into the beauty of the city palace. Standing tall in the center of the city is an unmissable part of Jaipur, the city palace built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh. The architecture of the city palace is a fusion of 3 to 4 architectural styles including Shilp Shastra, Mughal, European and Rajput. The most attractive highlights of the palace are Chandra Mahal, Diwani Am and Maharani Mahal. It can take about 2 to 3 hours to explore the city palace. Experience the enigmatic beauty of the Hawa Mahal. The mesmerizing red and pink sandstone structure of Hawa Mahal is a treat to the eyes. The Mahal has more than 900 small mesh windows which allow cool wind to enter during summer. They also allowed the women from the royal family to view festivities and participate in celebrations happening in the outdoors. Enjoy a cultural evening in Chokhi Dhani. Chokhi Dhani is a luxury resort located a few kilometers away from the main city of Jaipur. It offers you a peek into the local way of life. The resort recreates the rural villages of Rajasthan and brings together the various art and craft forms that have put the state on the global map. Shop in the city's markets. The markets of the city are its lifeline, and if you want to experience the pulse of Jaipur, there is not a better way. Johari Bazaar is popular for precious stones, semi-precious stones and silver jewelry. Exquisite designs and handcrafted jewelry put this market on the list of top markets to visit in India. Nehru Bazaar is another delight, offering a variety of footwear and bags. Chandpol Market, Kishanpol Market and the Rajasthan Emporium are some other markets to explore in the city. Local food. Jaipur boasts of traditional recipes and local restaurants that have been serving food lovers for decades. Pyaz ki kachori, gatte ki sabzi, kadhi, bajra roti, kher sangri and khichdi are some of the popular dishes that you will find everywhere. Lal Mas is a big temptation for non-vegetarians, and you can't experience the real Jaipur without giving this spicy dish a try. Hotels, homestays and resorts based on different budgets. The best budget hotels in Jaipur below Rs 3,000 are Pearl Palace, Heritage, V Resorts, Adbhut Jaipur and Nahargarh Haveli. Some of the mid-range hotels under Rs 7,000 are Trident Jaipur, Royal Heritage Haveli and Umaid Bhavan. The Oberoi Raj Vilas Jaipur, Taj Ram Bagh Palace and Sujan Raj Mahal Palace are prominent luxury hotels. For those who desire to stay in a hostel, Zostel is a great option for you. The best time to explore Jaipur is in winter. The city shines in a different light, and through misty mornings and chilly evenings, you explore a Jaipur never seen before. The months from October to February make up the peak season in Jaipur. Avoid the summer as the days are extremely hot and this is the least preferred season for travelers. If you happen to travel during monsoon, we recommend including cycling tours and heritage walks in your itinerary. How many days should your trip be for? If you want to explore the city well, the recommendation is to go for 3 days and 2 nights. This will offer you sufficient time to visit the city's iconic monuments, markets and eateries. The easiest way to explore in Jaipur is by hopping on a cycle rickshaw or an auto rickshaw. Owing to the popularity of Jaipur, private cab companies like Ola and Uber have also made traveling in the city much easier. Let us know your favorite haunts in Jaipur in the comment section below. For more such detailed guides, hit the subscribe button so that you never miss an update from Tripoto.